Hey guys, we're at the Fairfield in Fort Worth. We're going to go to an 80s party and meet a friend for birthday.
Right by the convention center.
Sure, and then we're going to go to a brewery.
Bankhead, and then Studio 80.
Studio 80 coming up. Get ready. Now it's time to go check out Fort Worth, check out some scenery on the way out of here. Oh, what is this? Shipwreck.
Tiki bar.
What do you got there, Cindy? Nice.
I have a high tide.
High tide. That's got sea foam on it. So we get up and get moving around. I've been laying around for a couple days. Couldn't eat anything. And it was nice to get out and see the sun once again. The weather was brisk and the wind was blowing. It was pretty cool outside. I had to just get out for a minute. I felt cooped up. So I took a walk on the dock, went and checked the lines, made sure everything was intact.
At this point, I'm feeling a little spoiled.
Well, everyone knows I like to cook, so here's another opportunity.
Great flavor, smelled good, warm on the stomach.
Well, I hadn't eaten in a couple days except for maybe a boiled egg.
We're just finishing up eating lobster bisque.
Lobster bisque.
Yeah, shrimp. We've been there because we're just getting over the norovirus.
Right. We've been
Merry New Year's to us.
We've been here a few days.
2025.
Trying to recuperate, eating well. Yeah.
I'm sure you can hear it.
The Arctic blows coming in, and we were at 26-mile-an-hour wind, and now it's going to be 30, and it's going to be all night. We watched the last episode of Black Sails as I was cleaning.
And here we go.
All right, it's here. The snow is here finally. Let's take a walk and see what's happening out here. We left Cindy's house and made our way back to the marina. I had to get everything ready and get the provisions on the boat that I brought. It didn't take long to clear the dock. This is it. This is Texas. In this episode, we head to Chill, Louisville. We're going to watch a Cure cover band. We're going to hang out with friends and dance the night away. It was a fun time, and we're getting ready to go meet some friends at an inauguration party. And we make some good food and talk about what it's like to be on the sailboat in the winter in Texas.
That's the goal,
March.
yes.
Hopefully we'll have a light February. February is the coldest in Texas.
January hasn't been kind to a lot of people. January's been a rough start for a lot of people, including us. We were sick. Some people have gone through much worse than we did with their things going on, but we're ready to get back on track with this. We're finally feeling good enough to get back into the swing of everything, dial it in so that we're prepared and our body is at a good state to sail. Because, you know, when you haven't sailed for 3-4 months, you go out, it's just like you went and just did a whole workout that you hadn't done in 6 months.
All
you get sore and all
on
that.
On Monday morning, you're hurting because you're like, I haven't used those muscles
Yes.
for 3 months.
Yeah.
In this episode, we do guitar and yoga meditation. We celebrate National Irish Coffee Day. I did a few winter projects on the boat. We food prepped egg bites for our lunches at work. I made a few recipes while it was cold and dreary outside. Cindy made a new pirate elixir.
So we recently decided that we were going to play around with infusing some of our liquors. In honor of National Imagination Day, that's already passed by a couple of days, I thought to myself, if imagination was a cocktail, what would it look like? So now we're back on the boat. We have infused the vodka. You can see it's a real pretty dark blue. So we're going to use cherry limeade mixer. We have ice in our cups already. We have lemon. And we have our butterfly pea flower vodka.
We are by the fire. Nice February. Oh wait, it's still January.
I know. No, it might be
just a couple more hours and January will finally be over.
Look at the colors of the fire behind us.